So, you've heard about Neon District, right? This futuristic, neon-lit metropolis where anything seems possible. But how can you turn this virtual world into a real-world payday? Let's dive in. Understanding the basics, Neon District is more than just a game. It's a platform where digital assets, known as NFTs, can be bought, sold, and traded. This means you're not just playing a game, you're investing in a virtual economy. How to make money. Play to earn. Daily quests and rewards. Complete daily challenges to earn in-game currency and NFTs. Raids and battles. Participate in high-stakes battles and raids to win valuable loot. Seasonal events. Keep an eye out for limited-time events with unique rewards. Trading and investing. NFT marketplace. Buy and sell NFTs at the right moment to capitalize on market trends. Land ownership. Invest in virtual land, which can appreciate in value over time. Staking. Lock up your assets to earn passive income. Creating and selling digital assets. NFT creation. Design and mint your own unique NFTs, from artwork to virtual real estate. In-game item crafting. Craft valuable items and sell them on the marketplace. Becoming a content creator. Let's play videos. Share your gameplay experiences on platforms like YouTube and Twitch. Tutorials and guides. Create helpful content to educate other players. Live streaming. Engage with your audience in real time and potentially earn donations. Tips for success. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest news and updates from the Neon District team. Join the community, connect with other players, share tips, and learn from experienced users. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on a single strategy. Explore multiple avenues to maximize your earnings. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth in the crypto world takes time and effort. Secure your assets. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and store your assets in a secure wallet. Neon District offers a unique opportunity to earn real-world money by engaging with a virtual world. By understanding the core mechanics, staying informed, and implementing effective strategies, you can position yourself for success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.